there's several ways where you can protect your credit. Number one, as we just said, you want to monitor it. First of all, we always advise that you get a copy of your credit report at least twice a year, at minimum. With us, most of our clients, we meet every 3 months or so. We don't pull the score any more than that. But definitely you want to monitor your credit. Look at your credit, see your credit. And when you're looking at your credit report, what you want to pay attention to is a few things. One is going to be the addresses. Believe it or not, and I have 2 clients in this situation right now we're working through. You believe it or not, but when someone is tampering with your credit, a lot of times they'll use their actual address. It's weird, it's crazy, but it happens. So you always want to pay attention to those addresses. Now, let me tell you this as well. The address is, it's not always an address where you have actually lived. It's associated addresses as well. It could be a family member, it could be a friend where you got a piece of mail once or something like that. So you want to always pay attention to that. Another thing, of course, is going to be your inquiries. Look at those inquiries. And I'm going to be honest with you, it's kind of tough to get those inquiries taken off if it's not something that you did, but at least it'll let you know, hey, this is something that I have not applied for. The inquiries stay on your credit report for 2 years, so it's going to give you that 2-year grid. If you're checking your credit report at least 3 to 4 times a year and you're looking at those inquiries, that's going to stay with you for 2 years. That gives you a lot of helpful information and up to date. If an inquiry is done this morning and your credit report is pulled tomorrow, that inquiry is going to show. So you should always pay attention to those. Another good way is to put a block on your credit report. Some of you may have done that already, some of you may have not. We had a big fraud deal that happened just the end of last year, I believe November, something like that. But you can always put a block on your credit report where someone have to call you. They would have to call you at a certain number, or that, you know, that application is not going to be done. Also, you can set up a code word on your credit report, you know, where someone would have to know a code word, or just set up a block where information would have to be verified. We call it out of wallet questions, okay? So we ask those verifying questions and it'll show us on the credit report. And we take it very, very, very serious at Pelican State. We take it very serious. When we see that there's a fraud block on that credit report, we do not proceed. We take the necessary precautions, and we have a department that backs us up on that, and she's really, really vigilant about those kinds of things. So those are a few ways.